Don't throw away the empty toilet freshener case. With this trick, you'll save a lot. Start by taking a bar of soap and grating it into fine shavings using a small hole grater. Choose any color and scent you like. Transfer the soap shavings to a pan and add your favorite floor cleaner. Stir over low heat until the soap melts and blends with the liquid, forming a smooth, sticky mass. Pour the mixture into a glass container lined with parchment paper and smooth the surface. Cover the container and place it in the freezer for a few hours until it hardens. Once set, carefully cut a piece that fits into the empty toilet freshener case. Place the prepared piece inside the case and close it. Put the freshener back in the toilet. Thanks to the floor cleaner, the bathroom will have a pleasant scent, while the soap helps remove dirt. This simple and inexpensive method creates a homemade toilet freshener that refreshes and cleans just as well as store-bought products. Here's how to remove yellow stains and buildup from window frames. This brilliant homemade solution will make cleaning your windows incredibly easy. Let me show you 3 tried-and-true methods that really work. First, try a mixture of baking soda and water. Baking soda gently whitens, removes discoloration, and dissolves light deposits. Soak a cotton pad in this mix and wipe the window frames. In just moments, the yellow stains and buildup will disappear. For the second method, use baking powder and lemon juice. Baking powder cleans and neutralizes unpleasant odors, while the citric acid in lemon juice brightens and whitens. Apply the paste to frames or sills, scrubbing with a small brush to get into all the hard-to-reach corners. Finish by wiping with a damp cloth. You'll see the difference immediately. The last method is my favorite. Pour a cup of vinegar into a bowl. Vinegar is excellent at dissolving limescale, grease, and streaks. Add a bit of baking soda. It softens dirt and acts as a mild abrasive. When mixed, it will foam up nicely. Spread the foam onto the frames with a sponge. Let it sit for a moment, then wipe clean with a cloth. With these simple homemade tricks, your window frames will look brand new, clean, cheap, and natural. This dissolves limescale in just 1 minute. It will shine like new for months, and even hard water won't leave a trace. Dried limescale buildup not only looks bad, but it can also block water flow and damage your fixtures. That's why it's important to act as soon as you notice the first signs of buildup. One of the most effective solutions is a homemade paste made from 2 ingredients everyone has at home. Add 1 cup of laundry detergent to a bowl. Laundry detergent breaks down grease and grime, softens water, has mild whitening properties, and foams well, making it perfect for cleaning many surfaces. Pour in half a cup of vinegar. Vinegar helps soften and dissolve the buildup. Mix until you get a thick paste. Apply it to the affected area, spread evenly, and leave it for a few minutes. Then wipe with a damp cloth. The residue disappears, and the faucet looks brand new. The same trick works on a shower head or glass doors. If you don't have detergent, you can also use plain vinegar. Just fill a plastic bag with it, tie it around the faucet with a rubber band, and after 30 minutes the limescale softens and peels off easily. I accidentally spilled this on the grout, and my husband thought I had renovated the bathroom. No store-bought product has ever given me such a result. Grout is one of those areas that's really hard to clean. It's narrow, rough, and dirt can sink in and stay for months. Today, I'll show you a simple way to get rid of it fast. Start with a lemon, cut it in half, and squeeze the juice into a small bowl. Lemon has natural whitening and disinfecting properties. Add a 1/4 cup of liquid soap. It softens grime and helps dissolve greasy buildup in the grout. Then add about 3 tablespoons of baking soda. It has strong cleaning and mildly abrasive power to remove tough stains. Finally, pour in half a cup of dish soap. It's great at cutting through grease and dirt. Mix everything well. It will start to fizz slightly. Now pour the mixture directly onto the dirty grout. Scrub well with a brush, then wipe away the residue. The effect is instant. The grout looks shiny and brand new. Your whole bathroom or kitchen will feel refreshed. And if there's any mixture left, pour it into the toilet. It will freshen it up and break down buildup. One simple recipe, and it works better than most store-bought cleaners. This is the ultimate secret to a spotless couch. All stains and dirt vanish instantly. Furniture and cleaning product manufacturers would rather keep this trick hidden. Start by preparing a large bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of baking soda. It effectively eliminates bacteria and germs. Then add 1 tablespoon of toothpaste, preferably white. Toothpaste not only whitens, but also cleans deeply, thanks to its mild abrasives and fluoride content that help remove stubborn stains. The next ingredient is fabric softener. Add 2 tablespoons. It not only gives the fabric a pleasant scent, but also softens the material and refreshes its texture, making your couch look like new. Finally, pour in some water and mix everything well until it forms a smooth solution. Soak a clean towel or cloth in the mixture, then wring it out well. It should be just slightly damp, not dripping wet. Place the cloth over the stained area of the couch and set an iron in the center. Wrap the cloth securely around the iron and gently press the surface. You won't need to dry anything. The heat from the iron dries the fabric as it cleans. Now, your couch is clean, dry, fresh, and free of bacteria. Pour this on your mop, and it will always stay clean. I never spend money on new equipment. A dirty mop is a breeding ground for bacteria and bad odors, collecting dust and grime. Here's a simple trick to make your mop bright white and fresh. Start with a small plastic bag or mesh sack. This will be your cleaning station. Place the dirty mop head inside. Sprinkle some laundry detergent to break down dirt, then add dish soap to dissolve grease. Next, add baking soda for its disinfecting power. Finally, pour in warm water to activate all the ingredients. Tap the mop a few times on the floor to create foam that lifts the dirt. Tie the bag tightly and let it sit for 15 minutes. After that, prepare 2 buckets of water. Take the mop out and rinse it thoroughly. Done. Your mop is now spotless, fresh, and like new, all without endless scrubbing. A quick and easy way to refresh your mop at home. Toss it in the washing machine, and dirt and limescale will disappear. Your washer will be clean, and your laundry will always smell fresh. But before you focus on the drum, it's essential to take care of other key parts. Regular cleaning is crucial for fresh laundry and a long-lasting appliance. Start with the washing machine door. Wipe it down thoroughly with a damp cloth. Pay special attention to the seals where detergent residue, hair, and dust tend to accumulate. Next, tackle the detergent drawer. Never skip this spot. Pull it out, break a cleaning tablet into each compartment, pour in some vinegar, and scrub it all with a brush. Vinegar has antibacterial and disinfecting properties and helps dissolve dried-on deposits. Now, onto the washing machine drum. Toss in 2 cleaning tablets. These aren't expensive, specialized products. These simple tablets for cleaning dentures contain soda and citric acid, effectively removing limescale, greasy deposits, and bacteria. Set the program as usual. Do this once a month, and your washing machine will thank you with fresh, fragrant laundry and trouble-free operation.